Greetings, my V family all over the world. This is your chief on week 38 after completing the greatest virtual digital VCon in the history of the network marketing industry. Now, guys, please tell all other companies to stop operating, guys. Don't listen to anything and anyone. We have proven that we can run the most successful event at an arena like Spice Penang. But now we have taken it to another level under the leadership of Japaras Bismarck, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran, and the VQNet Q Lifestyle, the coin service under leadership of number one. All right, we pulled off a miracle. That VCon, the buzz, the excitement, the fire is still out there, guys. I got people still sending me videos of people going crazy, all right, at every level all over the world. 200,000, all right, people. That means 400,000 eyes were watching that VCon, focused like maniacs, all right, like a tiger, which I have on my collar. And O'Neill, thanks for the shirt, okay. It is just unbelievable, guys. Okay, but now it is time for me as your upline, as your chief, to give you a very important reminder, a message that is so obvious, so practical, that people forget to emphasize and talk about it. So Wednesday message is about me keeping track on you, all right, reminding you of things that you already know. But I realized that when Dato Sri tells me something, I remember he told me this every year for 22 years. But I needed to hear it at that time when he told me again. And repetition is the greatest teacher, as my mother has proven, all right, God bless her soul, by hammering me the same thing every single day. So this is your chief. I'm going to remind you of stuff. And my goal, my dream is that you unleash your limitless potential. That you earn bigger checks and keep growing and make your dreams become a reality and be happy and conquer the world and fly, you know, and give the best to your family. That's the only wish I have for all of you, that all of you become max out kings and queens. All right. And this Wednesday message is a firm but important reminder of one word, the most important word in network marketing. All right, that, and everyone thinks is presentación. They are like, oh, presentación. No. Consistency. Consistency. Because I realize that at this VCon, all right, we awaken the giant within you. We have awakened the warrior within you. All right, and you found your dream, which I hope you did. You found your dream, all right, and you're on, guys. All right, and your family who watch VCon now understands why you are in love with Dato Sri Vijay Japa, with the vision, with this company, with this organization. And to all the mom and dads, the wives, the husbands, the brothers, the sisters, the cousins, the kids who never understood what your family member was excited about, why he or she came back home and said, yes, I got to sign up, or came back a bit depressed because of a rejection. Now please be supportive. Please show your love, that they're on a journey, right, to achieve greatness for you, to change your life, to be a better provider to the family and make a difference and make dreams into a reality. And all they need is your support. And you should also be doing presentación. And this VCon has lit a strong raging fire in all of you, like I said last Wednesday. And my fear, all right, my concern is that you are now unbelievable switched on, okay? Unbelievably switched on, guys. And I want you to be consistent, because the greatest danger of any event, of any magic that is created, is that boom, you go from 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. And you're on. And you're crazy. And then you perform at your maximum level. That right now you're doing 10 presentations a day, I hope. Alright? You're signing up everyone. Alright? You're handling all objections like that. You understand? You're going crazy. Alright? You're achieving your steps. You're achieving small and bigger and bigger and bigger checks. Alright? I don't want you to lose this momentum. And the danger becomes is when people go from 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. Alright? They use all their energy. Okay? And you run. And you go crazy and you want to achieve that. Even the new ones watching right now. And somewhere along the line, you start panting. Like, oh my God, it was crazy 2 weeks. I've achieved everything. I achieved my first step, second step, third step. I achieved my TAT. I signed up a lot of people. Alright, crazy. I was listening to Dato Sri on VTube, Japa, Chief, Wednesday Message, Instagram Live. I'm on top of the world. And then, I just got to take a break. I got to, just today. Alright, I'll let everyone relax. I don't want to push them too hard. I don't want to push myself too hard. I need the network time to breathe. Oh my God! That's the sign. That's the mistake everyone makes. And they switch off. I mean, they're still on WhatsApp. They're still doing video calls. They're still managing their network. Alright? But they take that moment, that 1 second, that 1 hour, that 6 hours, that one Sunday, that one Friday after closing, where their body goes, and that's it, guys. That's the switch off syndrome. That's when you know, alright, when you do this, that flame, that raging fire I talked about last Wednesday is deprived of oxygen. And when fire is deprived of oxygen, it shrinks. And you think, the mistake everyone makes, you think that after half a day of chilling and singing Kumbaya with everyone, you can straightway go, let's start. Cannot. Because when you switch off, your adrenaline, your max out mentality, your passion, your power that has inspired your whole network drops. And the next day, you on your own cannot raise it up again. Because if you could, you won't be watching this Wednesday video. I will be watching your Wednesday video. And this is the greatest danger, the greatest disease of network marketing, the greatest mistake people make right after VCon is that they are so charged up, so powerful, so switched on, and then they think, for some stupid reason, people think they need a break. You do not need a break. We have been sleeping for 40 years of our lives, and we only woke up when we joined QNet, when we joined when we heard the first words of Dato Sri Vijay. And I'm telling you, it doesn't take much to achieve that financial freedom goal as long as you can remain consistent, guys. That the key is not up, down, up, down, up, down, talk to upline, get revived, The key is to be consistent and rising up. Like Dato Sri Vijay said, 1% a day. And you will be 37 times better as a person, as an upline, as a networker. So guys, this is week 38. VCon was week 37. I do not want you to switch off for 1 second. I know you're pushing it hard. I know you have raised the bar higher. I know you're feeling that inspiration, that power within you that you can conquer the world. Don't lose that. Keep going. Right? Because it's not over until you win. It's not over until you finish your race and you reach your finish line. That you want this. You must want this so bad. That you are not going to stop. You don't want, a normality. You want to be a psycho. You want to be a fanatic every step of the way and maintain that momentum. Because if you stop for 6 hours, you may lose 60% of your network like that. That guys, after VCon, I hope you made that decision that this is what you want to do. That you're going to go all in, you're going to go all out. That you need to understand this. This is not about giving it a try. This is not about hoping something happens. This is about going all out. Putting all the chips in. Giving your 100%. And this requires one word: consistency. That if you look at Dato Sri Vijay Japa, the V Partners, AVPs, V Council, Coin Service, Alliance, all the Max Out Kings and Queens, they had one secret. They were consistent. They never felt the need to do this. They were like this all the time. When people ask me, how do you stay like this, Chief? All the time I ran VCon, I had corporate meetings, I'm making tons of videos, I'm being a student to Dato Sri Vijay, pushing everyone out of their comfort zone all the time. Because to me, this is it. This is what I do. This is who I am. That being switched on is normal to me. I don't even call it switched on. It's just me. And you need to reach that point where you never switch off again. That in there is a switch that is on and off. And all of us go through this journey where it's tuck, 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 tick, 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 on, off, okay, Sunday off, alright, then Monday on, okay, Tuesday off, or Thursday we're coming close to TAT on. Can you imagine? You cannot live that way anymore. I want you to reach into your mind, on the button, and take that switch and throw it away, and remain in this mindset that this is what we do, this is who we are. Because your ultimate goal of Max Out, your ultimate goal of financial freedom is based on that flame, that fire that Dato Sri and Japa ignited in you during the 3 days of VCon. Now that fire needs to stay strong. And that requires you to stay switched on, guys. There's no other secret. No strategy works for sure. There's no guaranteed strategy. You just got to be switched on. You got to be a maniac every step of the way. And no matter how tired you are, no matter how frustrated you are, no matter how great the challenge is, you just remain switched on. And I promise you, you will reach that finish line. That's all you need to do. Stay consistently switched on. It's not about VCon. It's not about challenges. It's not about you taking a break. It's not about you giving others a break. No such thing. You go. They will follow. You push them consistently. They will either wake up and smell the coffee or they will quit. Alright? But you keep pushing like that Coach B. The video Dato Sri Vijay showed about that Coach B. That's what you need to understand. And guys, this one word will decide your future, the future of your team, your family. It will decide your dreams becoming a reality. Consistency. Never, 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 never switch off. That's my secret. That's everyone's secret. And that should be your secret. I love you guys.